Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ghost King HU back again with another video. And today, we switching it up again. Today, I got this helmet that I had seen online. And I thought it was amazing. I am a big fan of The Punisher. Been watching him for years. I've watched every movie. I've even watched the Netflix series that they got when they brought him out. Like, that was a really good show. If you haven't seen The Punisher on Netflix, definitely check it out. Like, it was just pretty amazing. But back to this box. Like, it's a whole helmet. Like, it's crazy. Let's go through some of the features here. It's got Future Fight, Marvel. Let's go. So it's an electronic helmet, premium roleplay helmet. I'm not really gonna be role playing with this. 2 LED eyes, so that means the eyes will light up. That's what's up. Anything? So it's got helmet instructions. No one reads instructions. It's got premium finish, magnetized faceplate, adjustable to fit most head sizes. Okay, it's got sound effects. Oh, nice. I wonder what sound effects they'd have, because that sounds pretty interesting. Let's crack this bad boy open and see what it do. This is a giant box. Let's see if we can get this open without too much struggle. Because y'all know me unboxing. I struggle a lot. There's a lot of tape on this. Alright, let's see what we're greeted with. You got your books telling you how it works. It looks like an Iron Man helmet at this point, the way that looks. I know the camera's probably not picking up all of this. So I need 3 AA batteries. Okay. Double? No, they need 3 AAA. I can't count, apparently. Nothing. Let's see, what is this? What is it? Oh, a caution. Don't worry about the caution. Alright, anything else? This is how the helmet looks inside the box. Looks pretty cool. Kind of scary even. Let's see if we can get this out the box without too much struggle. Let me close this, make sure I don't cut myself. You can do it. Nothing else. Oops. Nothing else inside the box. Yeet. All right. Nice plastics on this. Let's see. Alright. All this tape and plastic. Why do you hate me so? Alright. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna go savage mode on this. Forget trying to be nice and number plastic. Alright. So this is plastic is trolling me right now. Okay, alright. So this is how the helmet looks. This looks really good. Like I like the like weared out look on it, like kind of like a rustic feel. You know, got like it's been damaged, got like dirt. It's pretty cool. Got the typical Punisher face mask on it. That's pretty cool. Like this is really detailed. But let's see. Let me go grab a screwdriver. I will be right back. All right, y'all, so we back in. Couldn't find a screwdriver. So what I'm gonna do is, this is on a survival tip. If you can't find a screwdriver, use a knife. Let's see here. Well, honestly, it would help if I learned how to screw the right way. Alright, should be good. Alright. Then you're greeted with a 3 AAA battery slot. Sorry about that, y'all. I had to go grab batteries. Alright. Let's see. Let's put these in. Cause I really want to see this thing glow up. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so how exactly do I make it glow? Why didn't it do it automatically? Oh. Okay. Alright, y'all out here making noise. I don't know, it sounds like a Punisher noise, but we'll go with it. Okay. I just made the eyes glow. It's kind of hard for the camera to get that. They are definitely glowing. Like that is menacing to look at. I might have to actually wear this helmet just to see what it looks like. But whole faceplate comes out. That's pretty cool. And definitely, I feel like they inspired this design off of Iron Man. Cause that's exactly what this is giving me. I mean, of course, I've been saying that the whole video. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. This helmet is really cool. I'll throw a link up in the description about if I can find one about this, so maybe be able to order one for yourself. I can definitely recommend it. This is really cool, especially I'm gonna definitely have this on display. But that's gonna do it for this video. It's your boy Ghost King HU, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.